video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a advanced seatbelt script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just have to scroll down over here, then click over here. Now you will redirect to the text store of the script. You just have to click over here and get the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we just have to extract the file into our file resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here, just like this. Now open the file, then config.lua. From here we can configure the whole script. The keybind to enable the seatbelt is going to be B over here, as you can see. If you want to disable the animation and prop of the seatbelt, you just have to change the false to true over here. So I'll be keeping them default for now. You can change the speed unit over here. So I'll be changing the KMS to MPH over here. And rest of the things you can configure it from here. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's spawn a car over here. And on my right side you can see there's a seatbelt icon blinking over here. If I press B to put the seatbelt, you can see the animation and the prop of the seatbelt over here, as you can see. So let's drive the vehicle. If you press B again, you will remove the seatbelt with the animation, just like this. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.